Okay, on the bench today we have a TEFAL Coffee Grinder. Another eBay purchase is not working. It's just making a humming noise when you power it. So let's get this plugged in and confirm that. So plug it in and yeah, motor's humming, not turning. Now I've had a look online, and this is probably going to be pretty straightforward. The ones that I was seen online were the Krupp's coffee grinder, which pretty much looks very similar. And rather than going to the effort of prying this open, it looks like there's definitely been attempts made at some stage. There's definitely little marks around it. The ones that I'd seen, they all had a slot at the bottom, which I don't know if this one has. I'm sure I can feel something underneath this label. Right, that's a label removed. So let's just zoom out again. Go. And hold this like this. And I'm going to slowly widen this hole. Now, is that going to be enough to get the screwdriver in? Certainly is. Now, if what I've seen proves to be the same, I should be able to free this off from the bottom. Oh, it's well stuck. I mean, that's proper tight. Wow. And you can see the blade turning as I turn that, but that is extremely tight. Okay, this one might not be as straightforward. I think that's going to be far too wide. Just to check, let's see what it does now. Yeah, it does still feel really tight. It loosened off a little there. I'm unplugged at the wall. And the blade screws on and off. Or should, there we go. Alright. Anything we can see in here that's obvious? I think I may have to open this up after all, unfortunately. I was hoping to avoid that, but don't think there's going to be any way around it, unfortunately. Right, I'll be back shortly. Okay, I'm going to persist a bit with this because it is starting to loosen off a little bit. I think we may have it, so. Definitely far better. Right, let's give it another try, shall we? Get the blade back on. So the screwdriver in here to finish tightening this up. Right, that's that tight. Give it a go. No, there we go. Straight away. Right, okay, so that's basically the TEFAL model. Seems to have the same sort of issue as others. I haven't really widened that hole by much. Oh, hang on, my camera seems to have frozen. There we go. Yeah, the hole's not been widened much, and I'm going to be putting the sticker back on it again, and hopefully it'll look nice and neat. Yeah, that's sticking down fine. Can't see a little bit of the sort of ragged edge. Could have drilled that hole, maybe should have filed that down a little. Yeah, that seems to be that working now. I don't actually have any coffee beans that I could grind to show it fully working, but you know, you get the idea. It's clearly spinning away just fine. So right, a nice little quick fix on that one. For anybody that does have the TEFAL, you need to remove the label to get access to the bottom to free it off again. And that's basically that. Right, if you liked this video, please give it the thumbs up, and if you want to see more like it, then subscribe to the channel. It's always appreciated. And if you hit the bell notification icon, you'll be notified anytime that I upload new content. Thanks for watching. Cheers.